Hello, Mrs. Sweeney's class. This is Mr. Bray, your technology teacher. So I wanted to reach out and give us a final update on our coding challenge. So throughout our last cohort, when you guys had technology for your special, we did a lot of coding in code.org, and we kept track of all the lines coded to come up with, we have our top 5 coders on the side. We also have our class total, and then our entire day 3 total, which you can see on my bulletin board there. If you squint a little bit, you can see it. 40,958 lines from all the classes 5th through 1st grade. So I want to go over the top 5 coders in Mrs. Sweeney's class now. So we'll start off with number 5, who was Amelia, with 287 lines coded. Excellent job, Amelia. Next up is Cora with just under 300 lines, 299 lines coded. Excellent job, Cora. And third place, Jeremy, just a little bit more than Cora with 305 lines. Way to go, Jeremy. Our number 2 coder with 382 lines was Jason. Jason, nicely done. And our top coder of Mrs. Sweeney's 4th grade class is Michael with 500, the only student over 400, and he just kept going. 503 lines. Michael, wonderful, wonderful job. Our class total for all of the 4th grade is 4,022 lines. So I hope you guys are enjoying your next special wherever you may be. I think it's gym, maybe. I'm sure you're having fun in gym. If you ever walk by my room, you can see this bulletin board out there, but I don't know if you'll ever be down here, so I figured I'd share it. And for our friends at home, you'll get to see how many lines we've coded. So have a wonderful day. Feel free to stop by and say hello. Take care, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.